How to use Voicemod on Discord. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use Voicemod on Discord. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search Voicemod. Click the first result, voicemod.net. Now click download for free. Then create or sign in to your Voicemod account. Open the downloaded installer from your downloads folder, then click OK, next, agree, next, and then select install. When the installation finishes, check launch Voicemod and click finish. Now to set up Voicemod, click get started. Sign back into your account, choose your microphone, choose your speaker or headphone, and click next. Then start using Voicemod. In the left hand menu, click soundboards, click add. Choose sounds from the Voicemod library. Use the search bar to find specific sounds. Click any sound to add it to your soundboard. Now open Discord. Click User Settings. Scroll to Voice and Video. Under Input Device, select Voicemod. Then close Settings. Now join a voice channel. Press your soundboard buttons in Voicemod. Sound plays through Discord. You can also use voice filters if enabled. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.